Hey guys, it's Nita here, back with another video. And today I have a giveaway, and it's a very bad giveaway because I'm bad at giveaways. And anyways, there's only gonna be one winner because I'm a bad person. No, I'm not. Okay, so right here is what I'm giving away because I'm very bad at giveaways, and I need some more better items, and then I'll do better giveaways if I get better items. And all you have to do is enter your username and what your status is, like non-member or member, and the bad reason to get it, like uh I'm a tree, so you should give this to me because trees are good. And yeah, and I'm going to add your to add you to a wheel, and then the giveaway is going to end at 370 subs because I'm lame. And and yeah. Also, what was I going to say? Hold up. No, like seriously, hold up. Hold up. So, yeah, there's only gonna be one winner, and I'm bad at giveaways, and this video is bad. Uh, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I'm so cool. You should totally enter for bad prizes, and you can see those bad prizes right here. And anyways, buy it, not buy it. First, before you leave, um, if you made it this far, then at the end of your comment, please enter your favorite color. And yeah, anyways, bye.